Welcome back to our course on PSE 15. In this section I'm setting you exercise 4, and your starting point for exercise 4 is the image I worked on in the preceding section, the girl with the red eye and the pet with the two pet eyes. And there's two things I'd like you to do really. First of all, I'd like you to do the red eye removal and the pet eye removal. I'd like you to do the pet eye removal on both of the dog's eyes. So you've seen how to do one of them, I just need you to do the other one. But then there's something else as well. Let's just zoom in a little on the dog's face. If you look around, particularly the area of the dog's right eye, the left eye as we look at it, there are some specks on the image. And if you look at the after, which is my answer to exercise 4 answer, you'll see that I've removed those specks. The tool that I used to do that was this tool, the spot healing brush. And I suggest you try the spot healing brush yourself and see if you can remove those specks as well. One clue I'll give you about that is that it's very important to get the brush the right size, otherwise things tend to get a little bit overdone. The other thing I need to tell you about here is that the pet eye removal issue here actually caused a big sort of flare by the dog's left eye, the right eye as we looked at it. I've used the spot healing brush there, but it's only obscured it a bit. I need a better tool to get rid of that effectively, and we're going to look at tools like that later on in the course. One other thing to repeat here, if you know anything about pugs, pugs don't have blue eyes. They tend to have very dark eyes, usually very dark brown eyes or even black eyes. So the blue colour that's left, even in my answer, is actually quite unrealistic for a pug. But let's not worry about changing that colour for the moment. Let's just get rid of the worst of the pet eye effect. And one other thing for you to be aware of, when you come to save your answer, let me just simulate here me saving my answer to this exercise. If you're saving it as a JPEG, you'll see this JPEG options dialog appear. And with this dialog you can select the quality at which you want to save your JPEG image. We're going to talk about image quality quite a bit later on in the course, but for the moment by all means accept the defaults. If not, I tend to go for the maximum quality. Don't worry about any of the other options, just select the defaults for each. So in this case, when I click on OK to save my answer, that's the job done. That's the end of this section. I'll see you in the next one.